Good morning students. Today I am going to teach pattern lesson. See mom, first one, let us learn the patterns in shapes by observing them. Okay, see this pattern. Closely watch this first question mom. See one square, double circle. Again one square, double circle. One square, double circle. One square, double circle. So what is this? This is repeated pattern. Okay. See the second one. What is this shape? Rectangle. So how many rectangle? Two rectangles. After second shape is circle. How many circle? Two circle. Again two rectangle, two circle. So two rectangle, two circle. So this pattern also repeated. Okay. So two rectangle, two circles. Two rectangle, two circles. So this pattern also repeated. Okay. See the third one. One rectangle, one triangle, one circle. Again one rectangle, one triangle, one circle. Okay. Again one rectangle, one triangle, one circle. Down all the one circle, upper part everything triangle. Okay. Center we have a rectangle. So this one also pattern. See this three also ma. This one also pattern, this one also pattern, this one also pattern. Okay. Here some order available. Okay, see first square circle, square circle. So this one order. Here also some order. This pattern also increasing by an order. Okay, so these everything are patterns. See the next one, we have the activity. Okay, what you do? Take two set of shapes, each namely square and triangle, made of color papers. Okay, what you do? Take a square and triangles. Okay, that square and triangle use and we can create different patterns. Okay, see the first pattern, first method, one square, one triangle, one square, one triangle. So in this way also this pattern increasing. Okay, so see this triangle, upper side we have two corner, down side we have one corner. Okay, so this one pattern. See the second pattern, one square, one triangle, one square, one triangle. This both also same, but my small difference available. What is this? See this triangle. Here lower part we have one corner, upper part we have two corner. But see this one, lower part we have two corners, upper part we have one corner. Okay, so this two also lightly changing. Okay, so this one pattern and this one pattern. And third method is, what is this? See what is this? Triangle and square. Triangle, square, triangle and square. So here also some order followed. Okay, next one square. Here triangle first, square second. See here square first, triangle second. Okay, so square, triangle, square, triangle. So here also some pattern increasing. Okay ma'am, see this one look like a arrow mark. This two also join means look like a arrow mark. So left side we have the arrow mark. Here we have right side arrow marks. Okay, so one square and a triangle use and we can create these four models. Okay, see ma, in this four method we using the patterns. Okay, patterns means what? That is a shapes that is increasing by certain order. Okay, here also we using one order, here one order. Okay, like this we are using the order. See the next topic, observe and complete the following patterns. Everything very easy. See here, look like arrow mark. Okay, after in inner side we have the circle. After arrow mark, circle. In two arrow mark between we have the lines. Okay, so in the same way also see here arrow mark, line, arrow mark, line. Okay, see here finishing by the lines. Next what you draw? Arrow mark. Next line. Okay, after arrow mark. So in the same way also you complete this one. After in this arrow mark you want to give the color and this circle also you want to give the color. See the second one. So upper side we have the rectangle shape and they are drawing small rectangles. Okay, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 small rectangles. So what color? Violet color. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 small rectangles. What color? Green color. Next what you draw? Small rectangles. 1, 2, 3. Likewise you draw. After what color? Violet color. Next green color. Next violet color. So repeat this one. Next see here, draw, what is this? Square. Okay, after inside you draw the double rectangles. After square, after double rectangle. So likewise you draw. Next violet color, green color. Violet color, green color. Likewise you give the color. See the next one more. See here we have one rectangle shape. Next inside one square draw after 3 dots. After one rectangle down you give the shadow. Okay. Next square 3 dots after one rectangle. Square rectangle. Square rectangle. So likewise you complete the pattern and give the color. Okay. See the first question ma, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rectangles. Okay, 4 arrow marks after these 3 lines. Okay, so complete this one after you give the color. Second one, 5. Upper part you have 5 rectangles and 1, 2, 3 squares available. Okay, so in the same way also you complete this process after you give the color, alternate color, violet, green, violet, like that you give the color. Next one, see here, one rectangle after small rectangle, after inner side you give the dots, 3 dots. Okay, in the same way also you complete this pattern after you give the color. Neatly draw this page ma. Next see king's crown. Okay, what is this? How to make the king's crown? Okay, paper, by paper folding. Okay ma, make a king's crown by folding color papers into triangles as shown in the above picture. Okay, take one square shaped paper. See ma, how many color papers we need? 6. Okay, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So take 6 color papers. Okay, what shape? Square shape. Okay, so like this you take one square sheet. Okay, after what you do? See the second picture. This square paper you fold into this half. Okay, so likewise you fold. Okay, you will get this triangle. Okay, after once again you fold. See the third step. Once again you fold this one. See ma. So this is third step. Okay, take square paper. Second step you fold opposite direction. Third step left side. Okay, fold means you will get this shape. Next fourth step what you do? You open this one. Okay, open means center we have one line. Okay, see the fifth step. So what's our fifth step? That first so in the same way also you fold 6 papers. Okay, how many? 1, 2, likewise you take 6 papers. And the fifth step, what is this? This triangle. After take again one triangle. After you this inside. Okay, we have, see here, this inside. Okay, this inside you join this again one triangles. Okay, so 2 triangles. Again take one triangle. Okay, you join. So join. So in the same way also how many triangles you can join? 6. Okay, after join, after what you do? Finally take and you fold these opposite sides. See ma, in the same way also you join the 6 triangles. After this corner and this corner you fold. Okay, so fold means we will get the king's crown. Okay, see this one. See ma, this direction and this direction. Okay, back side you fold means you will get a circle. Okay, so this one taken, back side like this you fold and back side you fold this one. Okay, see this one, we will get the king's crown. Okay, see ma, opposite direction join means we will get the king's crown. Okay, so 6 triangle papers use and we can create the king's crown. Okay, so in the same way also you use the color papers after you make the king's crown. Okay ma, that's all your patterns lesson. Already I told you in second term you have 3 lessons. So the 3 lessons also I completed. Okay ma. So our syllabus over. Next class onwards we will revise the 3 lessons. Okay. Thank you. Next class we will see.